So you need to create a timeline for your project so that somebody accessing your project, these are kind of like the instructions that you'll write. This tracks what you're doing. So this is the way that you're going to keep track of what code you are coding and what order it goes in. So you can start out by doing it on a scratch sheet of paper before you transfer it to your timeline, or you can go right to the timeline. This is my example timeline. So scene 1, I set up with these little stickers. I said scene 1 is these items. This is in the field. So this is when I'm in the field scene. You're going to click on the flag to start the project. That's click 1. Click 2 in that scene is that you need to click the lamb. And the third click you'll hit is the right arrow key. The next scene, the school, requires no clicks because everything happens on a timer. So I put scene 2 school, and I put in here no clicks. And I connected the arrow showing that these scenes are going from one to the other. Then I connected my next scene. I used these gray things for this timeline. The plaids are my scenes. Again, continuing the same theme here, and you'll have all these pieces for you. My scene 3 is the playground. There's one click here that you have to click on the kids. Everything else is done by timer. I also staggered my little events, these little black dots. This is like how far into the scene I feel like you should click it. So clicking the kids happens probably towards the end of the scene because there's things that play in my code. And then what you do at the end of the scene is click the kids to make them laugh. Then you go down to the school, and it looks like I have double here by accident. I have another piece of text. At the school, you're going to click the space bar towards the end of that scene to get the effect to occur. And then when you switch finally to the last scene, and this should be a 6 here, the 6th click that you will make is the down arrow that gets the heart to appear in the bedroom after all the code has run through by the timer. And then you have a slide right here that has all the clip art that I used. It has the little text boxes that you can copy and paste so that you have the font. It has the arrows that I used. It has the different pieces that I used so that on this slide, this is your timeline page that you're creating. So you're going to create your timeline just like I created mine for your story on this slide right here. And if you have any questions, let me know.